Imagine walking into a room filled with stuff, piles of clothes, stacks of papers, and random items scattered everywhere. It's hard to find anything, and the mess makes you feel stressed and overwhelmed. This was my life not too long ago. I remember a specific day when I spent an hour looking for a missing shoe, and that was my breaking point. I knew something had to change. That's when I discovered minimalism. It's not just about getting rid of things, but about making room for what really matters. The idea is to live with less so you can enjoy more peace, more space, and more freedom. In this video, I'll share 4 simple methods that helped me declutter my life. These methods can transform any space, whether it's a messy closet, a chaotic kitchen, or even a cluttered mind. Each method is different, but they all lead to the same goal, a simpler, more meaningful life. Let's dive into these methods and start your journey toward a clutter-free, peaceful living space. Method 1. The KonMari Method. The KonMari Method is a popular way to declutter, created by Marie Kondo. It's all about keeping only the things that bring you joy. This method can help you create a tidy and peaceful home. How it works. First, you need to visualize your ideal lifestyle. Think about what you want your home to look like and how you want to feel in it. This vision will guide you as you declutter. Next, you tidy by category, not by location. Instead of cleaning room by room, you sort all your items into categories. The categories are clothes, books, papers, miscellaneous items, and sentimental items. Start with clothes, then move on to the next category. For each item, ask yourself if it sparks joy. Hold each item in your hands and pay attention to your feelings. If it makes you happy, keep it. If not, thank the item for its service and let it go. This step is crucial because it helps you keep only what truly matters to you. Once you've decided what to keep, organize the items neatly. Marie Kondo suggests storing items so that you can see everything at a glance. For example, fold clothes so they stand up in drawers and store items vertically. Benefits. The KonMari Method does more than just declutter your home. It can also declutter your mind. By focusing on what brings you joy, you become more aware of what truly matters in your life. Many people find that this method helps them feel more relaxed and happy. By using the KonMari Method, you can transform your home into a joyful, clutter-free space. Method 2. The Minimalist Game. The Minimalist Game is a fun and easy way to declutter your home. It was created by Joshua Fields Milburn and Ryan Nicodemus, known as the Minimalists. The game makes getting rid of clutter feel like a challenge. How it works. The game lasts for 30 days. On the first day, you get rid of 1 item. On the second day, you get rid of 2 items. This continues, with the number of items increasing each day. By the end of the month, you will have removed 465 items from your home. To start, you need to find a friend or family member to play with. This makes the game more fun and helps you stay motivated. You can also share your progress on social media to keep yourself accountable. Each day, look around your home and find the items you want to let go of. They can be anything: clothes, books, kitchen gadgets, or even old papers. As you gather the items, decide whether to donate, sell, or throw them away. Benefits. The Minimalist Game is great because it breaks down decluttering into small, manageable steps. Instead of feeling overwhelmed by the thought of cleaning your entire house, you focus on a few items each day. This gradual approach makes it easier to let go of things you don't need. Playing with others adds a social element to decluttering. You can encourage each other and share tips. Plus, the competitive aspect can make the process more exciting. By playing the Minimalist Game, you can slowly but surely reduce clutter and create a more peaceful, organized home. Method 3. The 4-box technique. The 4-box technique is a simple and effective way to declutter your home. It helps you make quick decisions about what to keep and what to get rid of. How it works. To start, you need 4 boxes. Label them. Keep, donate, trash, and relocate. These labels will help you sort your items. Pick one area of your home to begin with, such as a closet, a room, or even just a drawer. Take every item in that area and decide which box it belongs in. Keep. These are items you use regularly and that bring you joy. They go back to their place once you finish sorting. Donate. These are items in good condition that you no longer need but someone else might find useful. You can donate them to a charity or give them to friends. Trash. These are items that are broken, worn out, or not usable anymore. They go straight into the trash. Relocate. These are items that belong in another room or space. Once you finish sorting, put these items in their proper places. Benefits. The 4-box technique is straightforward and helps you make decisions quickly. It prevents you from getting stuck on one item for too long. By sorting items into categories, you can see progress right away, which keeps you motivated. This method also helps you see how much stuff you really have and what you actually use. It's a great way to identify things that are just taking up space. Take Lisa, for example. Her garage was overflowing with boxes and old tools. She decided to use the 4-box technique. As she sorted through her things, she found many items she didn't need. By the end of the day, she had a pile to donate, a bag of trash, and a few items to relocate. Her garage was much cleaner and more organized. Using the 4-box technique, you can quickly and efficiently declutter any area of your home, making it a cleaner, more enjoyable place to live. Method 4. The Capsule Wardrobe. The Capsule Wardrobe is a method to simplify your closet by keeping only essential, versatile pieces of clothing. It helps you save time, reduce stress, and enjoy a stylish, clutter-free wardrobe. How it works. First, take all your clothes out of your closet. Lay them on your bed or a large surface so you can see everything at once. This helps you get a clear picture of what you own. Next, sort your clothes into 3 piles. Keep, store, and donate. Keep. These are your favorite pieces that you wear often and love. Store. These are seasonal items or special occasion clothes that you don't need right now but will use later. Donate. These are clothes you no longer wear or don't fit well. Donate them to a charity or give them to friends. Now, choose 30 to 40 essential pieces for your capsule wardrobe. These should be versatile items that you can mix and match to create different outfits. Think about your lifestyle and choose pieces that fit your daily activities and personal style. Organize your capsule wardrobe neatly in your closet. Store away the seasonal and special occasion clothes in a different place. Benefits. The capsule wardrobe method reduces decision fatigue because you have fewer choices to make each day. With only your favorite and most versatile pieces in your closet, getting dressed becomes quick and easy. This method also helps you appreciate what you have. By focusing on quality over quantity, you can invest in better pieces that last longer and look great. Consider Emma. She had a closet full of clothes but felt she had nothing to wear. She decided to try the capsule wardrobe method. After sorting her clothes, she chose 35 pieces for her capsule wardrobe. Now, Emma finds it easier to pick outfits, feels more stylish, and loves the simplicity of her organized closet. By creating a capsule wardrobe, you can simplify your mornings and enjoy a stylish, clutter-free life. Decluttering is not just about getting rid of things. It's about making space for what matters most in your life. Whether it's more peace, more time, or more happiness, a clutter-free environment can help you achieve it. Start small, pick a method that suits you, and take the first step towards a simpler, more meaningful life. Remember, the goal is not perfection but progress. Each item you let go of brings you closer to a home and life filled with joy and purpose. Embrace the journey of decluttering and enjoy the freedom and clarity it brings. Your peaceful, organized life awaits. Now, if you want to learn how to achieve financial success, then watch this video next. And if you made it to this point of the video, please like and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.